Welcome, everyone. I am back with another virtue today. This one is by Felipe Vernier, called Restore Unto Me the Joy of Thy Salvation. See, Lord, I am but the least of thy disciples. I have not much intelligence. I am not versed in the things of heaven, but I love thee. No doubt I have been too busy attending to the affairs of my material life, and that is why it is so difficult for thy life to be born in me. It seems that I am made of a heavier clay than other men. How does it happen that my soul so rarely knows joy when others, more unfortunate than myself, I hear, laugh and sing? Without joy, Lord, even the faith of thy saints would be an earth without a sun, and their charity would have no perfume. They are like the birds of the air, like the flowers of the field, counting on thee to feed and clothe them. But thou givest them besides that overflowing of the heart, that is like the song of birds and the scent of flowers. It is for the lack of this that thou seest me every day dejected. It seems that thou respondest so rarely to my call. So rarely does there sound in my heart that bell of joy that peals in the carillon of the gospel. And yet thou didst say, blessed are they that mourn. Do I not grieve enough? Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst. Knowest thou how I hunger to share the joy of thine elect? Lord, I am ready to bless thee in spite of thy silences and in spite of loneliness. But at least rekindle my soul. Give me something, even if it be only the joyous heart of a vagabond whistling along the road, or the song of the nightingale. I would love thee as one who rejoices, and not as one who carries a crushing burden.